Well, hello there. It is the 23rd of August, 2023, and I just wanted to make a short little video about the secret little spot here in Bath, kind of in the heart of Old Town, surrounded by traffic and business and noise and all of that. But this is a spot I like to go to sort of get away from all of that and just sort of collect my thoughts and hang out, listen to music, read a book, whatever. But I love this little spot here because it's kind of hidden away, and there's this like little group of trees here to provide a little shade in this hot summer sun. And I love these steps. I just love the look of it, the landscaping. I know a lot of people think, oh, it looks abandoned. Well, you know me, I love abandoned stuff to a certain extent, but I just love this spot here. And you can see a variety of plant species and trees that they planted here at one time, and it looks fantastic. I just like it. I like the sort of worn look. It's not polished, you know, nothing. It doesn't have to be polished to be enjoyable, to be aesthetically pleasing and relaxing. And this is a prime example of that. It's a warm day. It's about 85 degrees. That breeze is making all the difference in the world. It feels so nice. So there's this little pocket of, there's like a little spot you can sort of go hide away in up there in the brush. It's really nice. I'll show you in a second. That's the Key Bank building. They just closed about a month ago, and it's all vacant. This building here, all vacant for rent. Yeah, really nice spot in town. BIW is just right over that way. So if we come over here, we can kind of see what I was talking about. Sort of little shaded, secret hideaway spot here. Isn't this nice? Nice little curtain of like cedar or pine. I think it's cedar. A beautiful oak tree. It's gonna look beautiful here in about a month or so. The leaves turning color, but yeah, this is the spot I was talking about. Kind of hidden away from all the hustle and bustle. That's where I was just a second ago. Yeah, see, you can enjoy a nice view of BIW over there. Pretty much ends just right over here, but isn't this pretty? Anyways, it's very, very cozy, but very loud. Anyway, that's a wrap. I will see y'all later.